Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I made my adorable miniature cousin It for my tier tray. I like to make the little fellas out of medicine pill bottles, and if you recall, I made this cute little snowman and also this leprechaun, and I have videos on how I did those on my channel. You'll need a pill bottle. I have two here. You can use either one. And then I used some leftover of the straw raffia from the luau skirt from my straw pumpkin basket. And then I used another of the handles from the splatter screens. Always save them. They make great hats. And then because I needed some bulk, I used the inner workings of a roll of washi tape. That was empty, of course. And then you may want to use a ping pong ball, depending on which of the pill bottles you use. And then some black nail polish and some floral wire and some hard plastic for the glasses. First, I separated my top from the bottom of the splatter screen handle, and I inserted my tape roll. And then I put it back together, and because I didn't feel like painting this project, I just used a black marker and I changed it from white to black. Then I didn't have any rubber band, but I had some elastic for masks, so that's what I'm going to use to make my raffia. I just tied it on how it would be, the size I needed. And then I used the large pillar candles from DollarTree because I wanted something to leave between my legs so I could, hold on to it. I need 3 hands. So I measured the amount of the straw. I don't know what that's called. And then I just looped it around the elastic. And then I put it back on the pill bottle, and I saw that it was really, really too long. So I put the ping pong bottle on top of the other medicine pill bottle, and that's the one that I decided to go with. But it has that little piece on it to open up the bottle, so I just used wire cutters and I just snipped that off. Then I took my ping pong ball, and with a heat gun, I got the top of it really soft so I could smash it and it would stay flat. And then I glued it into the pill bottle. Then I continued working on my Cousin It dress, I guess we're going to call it. And I just kept looping it around until it was completely full. And then I tied it together so that it was nice, so it looked like a circle there. And I laid it down flat, and with some glue on the top of the ping pong ball, I just laid it on top. And then this was everything that was left over on the bottom, so I trimmed that down because we need him to stand up. And you might want to cover your pill bottle with some of that straw raffia stuff because you will see it. So I just, as an afterthought, I just added it on. And then to keep it from being so fly away for a little while, I just put a rubber band around the bottom of it just to train it to stay down. And then I took my hat and I glued it to the top of Cousin It. And then with my floral wire, I just kind of made a really sad pair of glasses. It's just one piece and I made 2 loops in it. And then I used black nail polish to change it to black. And then I cut 2 little circles with a hole punch out of the clear hard plastic, painted that also with the black nail polish, glued it to the 2 circles on the glasses, and I made myself a pair of Cousin It sunglasses. And there he is. It was really pretty simple to do. I hope the pictures will help you because I had trouble explaining. And here he is in my other little project, which I also love, by the way, and there is a video for that if you haven't seen it. And here he is in my tier tray. He fits perfectly. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and as always, Quarantino and I will be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.